Okay, good morning everybody. Today we're going to Belgium, Brussels, Belgium. We're getting on the bus in Amsterdam. Okay, we're off the bus. Let's see Belgium.
I like your list, by the way.
Yeah, because it comes first. I don't want to like go back for it. No. And of course I know it's my sister.
The Smurfs are from Belgium, originally. It's a normal department store. The kind you see in most places. But I'm looking for a bathroom. Okay, I found the toilets, but I did not have any money. The police.
Handjob.
We got.
No, Ben, hold on. I gotta go first.
We got it.
I say yeah. Just no. Yeah, let's just
The
do.
Belgian waffles.
Thank you.
Mason Dandoy. Really good Belgian waffles. I've never seen this much gold accent. I like it though. It's really cool. Brussels. Okay. I have no idea what I just stumbled across. All right, we're here at the Smurf Global Premiere. There's not much going on right now. It's about noon. Yeah. Smurfy. We got that triage. Trio. Okay, this is the famous monument. Little boy peeing. So the little boy peeing statue is like periodically dressed up as different characters, and today it was a Smurf. So it's really Smurfy out today, as you can tell. We're out here getting some magnets, finding a new plan for where to go next. I seem to be in a tourist location. So when you're traveling, you'll see groups like this with one tour guide. I mean, it's literally just a tour group. I don't know how they join these or how you get membership to that, but yeah, you'll see a lot of these tour guide groups wherever you go. I think we're on the way to a cathedral now. We're at the St. Michael, St. Gadua. I think we're now at the St. Michael, St. Gadua Cathedral. Another tour guide. This guy's another tour guide. Maybe Italian. I don't know. Okay. Off to the next place.
Ireland, okay. So you like this more than Ireland? For sure. I know you do.
Also, it's, I think St. Patrick's is a little bit smaller.
We're walking through the palace gardens now. Making our way to the palace. I think this is the royal palace with a festival getting set up outside of it. There's beautiful architecture here. Brussels, Belgium. More of those gold accents. I like it. There's advertisements in the subway, unlike Amsterdam. Alright, here's the Brussels metro. The underground is boiling. FYI. It's actually the European Union headquarters or meeting place or something. Cool. Okay, there's some type of Polish celebration going on here. Not too sure what they're celebrating, but it does have to do with Poland. Okay. Yeah, Poland. Here's a makeup store in Belgium. Any old makeup store. My friend needed some CeraVe. All right. So apparently French fries are actually from Belgium and not France. FYI. Okay, everybody. Signing out of Brussels, Belgium. There's a rave going, there's a little festival thing for Poland going on. The beatboxer's really good. That's all beatboxing. Yeah. Now I'm about to go hit the bus. I have an hour, should be fine. All right, we're getting on the bus. Goodbye, Brussels. Okay, that's been it. Peace out, Brussels. Peace out, Belgium.